Grandma, it's time you now. Here's another Graham Snacks, and today I have for you Nabisco Pina Colada Oreo Thins. Vote for your favorite. Now, I saw these not too long after I got the cherry cola one and the kettle corn one, so I thought I'd pick it up. So, yeah, I want to see what these are like and let you know what I think. They don't smell like pina colada. It's real big on the golden Oreo smell. But anyway, let's see what they taste like. I can definitely get the pineapple and coconut taste, but not until you really get into the cookie. My take is they should have made this into just a regular golden Oreo, and not have these indent thins. That's my only take on it. Other than that, they're good, you know. I wish these were bigger cookies. I wish there was more cream to really enjoy it more. But it is there. But it's different than what I was expecting. I'm going to go ahead and give these a solid 3 out of 5. Not quite 4. I can't say that I'm not entertained by it, because I am a little bit by the idea. But the taste could have been more in your face. Because when you see pina colada, you want that bold taste of it, you know, like in your face. Pineapple coconut. Anyway, that's my experience on this edition of Graham Snacks, and I'll see you on the next episode.